Okay, kung gising pa kayo, teka, parinig muna ng isang malakas na palakpak at sigaw dyan! Ayan! 100 na person na agad yun ah. Alright, once again, jolly evening everyone. My name is Kat and I will be your party host for today. And we are here to celebrate not just one, but two
Twice.
celebrants.
Not twice.
Not just once, but twice?
Yes.
Okay, dalawa sila. Grabe ang preparation ni Mami para sa dalawang ito. Dahil dyan, without further ado, tawagin na natin kasama si Ma'am Karen, si Mami Karen sa harap.
Yes.